Pour rice into fabric softener. This trick will solve a common household problem. Take a small plastic container and fill it halfway with rice. Rice is a great moisture absorber, acting as a natural dehumidifier. Next, add about 3 tablespoons of coarse salt. Salt has antibacterial properties and enhances moisture absorption, making the mixture more effective and long-lasting. Now, add 2 tablespoons of baking soda. Baking soda neutralizes odors, helping to eliminate musty smells from clothes and indoor spaces. Finally, pour in 2 capfuls of your favorite fabric softener. This gives the mixture a long-lasting fresh scent. Stir everything well, ensuring the ingredients are evenly mixed. Your homemade air freshener is now ready. Take some damp wipes and place 1 tablespoon of the mixture in the center of each. Fold the wipes and secure the ends with a rubber band. Prepare several of these sachets and place them on shelves, in wardrobes, or in the bathroom. This simple solution gradually releases a pleasant fragrance while absorbing excess moisture. After a few days, when the scent fades, just replace the sachets with new ones. A cheap and effective way to create a natural air freshener. Your home will smell for 3 days and the 3 nights. Even the neighbors will catch a whiff of it. To prepare these fragrant bowls, we need 3 lemons. Cut off the end of the citrus so it can stand. Then, cut it into quarters without slicing all the way through. Prepare each lemon differently, and each one will have a different purpose for a specific room in the house. Lay out the first fruit and place it in a bowl. Sprinkle it generously with salt. The next ingredient will be rubbing alcohol. Pour in 1 teaspoon. It acts as a carrier of the scent and is essential for preparing the first mixture. Let us know in the comments which city you're watching us from. Next, prepare the second lemon. Pour 1 tablespoon of salt into it. It has moisture-absorbing properties. Take your favorite laundry detergent. Pour 1/3 of the cap onto the salt and the lemon. Their scents will mix, creating a pleasant aroma of fresh laundry. Towards the end of the video, I'll show you which bowl to place in each room for the best effect. Sprinkle salt on the 3rd lemon as well. Then, take a few cloves. They have an intense scent with practical applications. Place the lemon with cloves near the entrance doors and on the terrace. It will repel insects, flies, and pests thanks to its strong scent. Additionally, it smells delightful. Put the bowl with laundry detergent in the bathroom. Thanks to it, a pleasant scent of fresh laundry will linger for 3 days. It can replace air freshener spray. Finale, place the last bowl next to the bed. Citrus aromatherapy aids in falling asleep. The scent of citrus positively affects the brain, potentially improving concentration. Moreover, lemon essential oil supports the treatment of anxiety and depressive symptoms. Preparing these bowls is easy, and they have a beautiful scent with practical applications in the home. This will save you from moths. Take a wet baby wipe and place it on a board. Then, grab some rice grains, as rice is a great scent carrier and absorbs moisture, preventing mold in your closet. Place a spoonful of rice on the wipe and choose your favorite perfume or essential oils. Spray the rice grains with the scent. Fold the wipe over the rice and tie the ends with string or a rubber band, creating a small scented pouch. Repeat the trick with different scents to create a variety of aromas for your closet. Place these small pouches in your wardrobe, on shelves, or in drawers. They will protect your clothes from moths, and the lovely fragrance will last for a long time. After a few days, when the scent fades, replace the pouches with new ones to keep your wardrobe fresh. You can also experiment with different scents to find the perfect combination for your closet. Place candles in fabric softener. The results will surprise you. Everyday products you use can be transformed into something entirely different. Take a pan and place the candles on it. Heat the pan until the candles melt. Use a fork to remove the wicks from the melted candles. Take a small glass container and pour the melted wax into it. Then add fabric softener. Sprinkle in a few cloves as well. Finally, add the wick to the mixture. Hold it in place with a clothespin so it doesn't fall in. Once the wax solidifies, remove the clothespin. Sprinkle a few more cloves on top of the candle. Finally, light the candle, and you're done. This natural candle will fill your home with a beautiful fragrance and help you get rid of unwanted mosquitoes. Pour fabric softener over candles, and the results will surprise you. Everyday products can transform into something entirely different. You'll need white candles. Take a pan and place the candles in it. Heat the pan until the candles melt. Using tongs, remove the wicks from the melted candles. Grab a small glass container, pour in the melted wax, and then add fabric softener. Also add a few cloves. Finally, insert the wick into the mixture. Hold it in place with a long toothpick to prevent it from falling in. Once the wax hardens, remove the toothpick. Light the candle, and you're done. Place it where you spend a lot of time. This natural candle will fill your home with a lovely fragrance and help get rid of unwanted insects. My home smells wonderful. Everyone asks about my secret. This beautiful scent wafts throughout the house. Most people usually buy scented sachets at drugstores, but they only last for a few days. It's definitely better to try this trick with a box. First, take a small plastic container or cup. Pour salt into it. Regular, inexpensive table salt is perfect, but sea salt works too as it has cleansing and moisture-absorbing properties. Next, add 1 capful of antibacterial liquid. Then pour in a capful of fabric softener with a pleasant floral scent. Insert 3 long toothpicks into the cup. They will be perfect scent carriers. Place the box in the bathroom or closet, and a lovely fragrance will emerge. Everyone will ask what smells so good, and it also absorbs excess moisture. In my home, there is no humidity. You need to do this in your house. First, take a small plastic container or a small glass jar. Fill it with salt. Regular, inexpensive table salt works perfectly, or you can use sea salt. It has cleansing and moisture-absorbing properties. Next, pour a capful of fabric softener into the container with the salt. It should have a pleasant floral scent. The next ingredient is alcohol, which provides disinfecting and antifungal properties. Pour about 3 tablespoons into the container. Place this container by a window or leave it in any room. It will emit a lovely scent, and everyone will ask what smells so good. Additionally, its main job is to absorb excess moisture. In my home, you can immediately feel the difference. The air is fresh and the floral scent lingers in every room. Be sure to try this simple method and see for yourself how quickly it works.